Have you ever heard the phrase perception is reality? It turns out that this idea is more than just a saying, as quantum physics has shown us through the observer effect. Today, we're going to explore what the observer effect is, how it works, and its implications for us and the universe as a whole. To understand the observer effect, we need to start with the double slit experiment. In this experiment, scientists shoot a beam of electrons at a screen with two slits in it. Behind the screen is a detector that measures where the electrons hit. When the experiment is conducted with the detector off, the electrons create an interference pattern that suggests they are behaving like waves. But when the detector is turned on to measure which slit the electrons pass through, the interference pattern disappears, and the electrons behave like particles. This phenomenon is the observer effect. The act of observing or measuring a system changes its behavior. In the case of the double slit experiment, the mere act of observing which slit the electrons pass through causes them to behave differently. This effect has been observed in many other quantum experiments and has significant implications for our understanding of reality. So, how does the observer effect impact us and the universe as a whole? One of the most significant implications is that our perception shapes reality. In other words, the way we observe or measure a system can change the outcome. This idea may sound bizarre, but it's backed up by experimental evidence. For example, let's say you're trying to lose weight. If you weigh yourself every day, your weight might fluctuate, and you may get discouraged. But if you only weigh yourself once a week, you might see a more consistent downward trend. This is because the act of measuring your weight affects the outcome. The observer effect also has significant implications for the universe as a whole. It suggests that the act of observing the universe could be affecting its behavior. Some scientists even argue that the observer effect could be the key to unlocking some of the universe's biggest mysteries, such as dark matter and dark energy. In conclusion, the observer effect is a mind-bending concept that challenges our understanding of reality. It suggests that our perception shapes reality and that the act of observing a system changes its behavior. This effect has significant implications for us and the universe as a whole, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. So, the next time you observe or measure something, remember that you might be changing the outcome.